Looking for a mandoline slicer without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best mandoline slicers under $50, ranked. Number 5 is the Bing Bing 7-in-1 Mandoline Slicer. It's the cheapest one here at just under $22. And it's super convenient with one knob for all your thickness and cut styles, meaning no blade swapping. The downside is it's the lightest build of the group, but it does have a silicone-wrapped base to keep it steady. Coming in at number 4, we have the Gramercy Adjustable Mandoline Slicer. For $37, this one dial handles every thickness, plus waffle fries, with no loose blades to worry about. It even ships with cut-resistant gloves, a food holder, and a brush, and it folds flat for easy storage. Just remember, the gloves are a helper, not a guarantee, so still be careful. Our number 3 pick is the Once for All Safe Mandoline Slicer Plus. This mandoline prioritizes safety with a hidden blade you never have to touch, and it offers 4 cut modes, including dicing, with a built-in catch container. It's backed by a full 2-year warranty, but at $42, it's the priciest of the 5. The number 2 spot goes to the OXO Good Grips Precision Handheld Mandoline. This compact mandoline has the highest rating of the group at 4.7 stars for $35, featuring a spring-loaded food holder to keep your fingers safe. Plus, a clear runway lets you see exactly how thin you're slicing, though you'll be slicing over a bowl since it's handheld. And our top pick, number 1, is the Muller Austria Mandoline Slicer. For $35, it boasts nearly 25,000 reviews at 4.5 stars, with 5 interchangeable blades for everything from onions to sweet potatoes. Its folding legs are super convenient, letting you slice straight into a bowl or over a board, even if you do have to swap physical blades rather than turning a single dial. So that's our top 5 mandoline slicers under $50, with the Muller Austria Mandoline Slicer coming out on top. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.